Welcome to Daily Tax Minute. This is Tony Novak here to share a few points on how to save taxes and stay out of tax trouble. Today's topic is 4 ways to file for free. Now, there are at least more than 4 ways, actually, but we're going to cover 4 of the most common ways that are emerging for most taxpayers. So, probably the one that's getting the most media attention right now is called direct file. That is, the IRS is asking for the information. Why don't we go directly to them to file in the first place? So now, as of this year, half of the states are participating in that program. And of the tax filers in that state, in those states, or actually all states, about half of the tax filers will file directly through one of the direct methods, and about half will go to a professional. Let me add, this post is not about whether one is better than the other or convincing anyone that they should or shouldn't file for free. That's not the point of this. Is just to list the options. So one option, direct file, directly on the IRS website. Just type in your search bar, IRS, how to file for free, and it'll bring you right to the page. The second is called Free File, and this program has been around for years, and it's taken a little bit of heat. And it's actually run by commercial companies that offer the service for free, but then in order to make their profit, they have to make it up somewhere else by either making an additional offer or charging for state returns, or sometimes apparently and unfortunately using your personal information for third-party sales. So like I said, it's been a little bit of a bad publicity for that program. A third way is, I'm just going to call clinics. There is a volunteer tax filer program run by the IRS, and there's a second program run specifically for seniors. So either of those programs are good. I was contacted some months ago by the accounting professor at a local university that wanted to start one here in my hometown. I don't think they ever pulled it off. So it's not all that easy to do as far as the setup and to get volunteers and manage it, but you should know that it does exist. The fourth way is the one that I'm most excited about, and I'm involved in it myself. So a growing number of tax professionals, accounting professionals that handle a wide range of services realize that I've been saying this here and everywhere else for years. Filing tax returns is likely the least valuable thing that we do for you, for a client. So I started midway through last year, and so now this is the first full tax season that there are no fees for filing. I'm offering other services, that is advisory, financial planning, coaching, accounting, everything else, and the tax filing is simply added on as a convenience. If we're doing those other things correctly, tax filing should basically, I use the terms, fall out of the work that we're doing otherwise. So sometimes we have to file a tax return to qualify for a loan or a government benefit, or simply for peace of mind. But in all cases, the tax return is not the lead service that we're offering, and no, we won't have any separate charges for filing tax returns this year. So we'd love to hear your thoughts, comments, feedback on this. I'm available on social media, pretty easy to reach, or contact me one-on-one at taxproblems.cpa. And I'll be back tomorrow with another